Mentagasngi la pynlong ya executive meeting jaga Commonwealth Parliamentary Association India Region Zone 3 bakentup ya Meghalaya, Assam, Tripura, Manipur, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, bat Sikkim. Habakran bakilat patai khubor, speaker ka yengdor bar thau an ka Meghalaya uba met ba lungdo, ulaya thu baka jingalang jongka CPA Zone 3 kanlong ha itanagar Arunachal Pradesh, hakatayo ba ar jong ulaber mentausnam. Uba met ba lungdo ulaya thu baladon ru ka jingakran hapo jongka North East Regional Institute, ki bayadai bat ki jing pule bat ki wei ki jing wat jing tip.
The initiative for appointing those research fellows, which is more or less in line with that. But however, I mean, as far as the training is concerned, they are not entrusted with that kind of assignment. That still leaves it with the those officials which are from the Lok Sabha who have to do it. And for that matter also we have already initiated that we will be recruiting some of the officers from Lok Sabha, some of them who are retired. They will be taken into account to see that they are also part of this training sessions in Guwahati in this Nehru building. But in the next CPA conference, it's open for any discussion, which as I said that before 15 of February, we should send all the subject matters related to the concerned states. No, it's very, very unfortunate and very sad to see that that kind of things is happening within the center of the city. It is very, very much condemnable, and this kind of violence will not be tolerated at all, because innocent lives will have to bear the fruit of all this kind of activities, which is not acceptable. The new assembly building is concerned. Last week we had a detailed review, and I would like to inform you that by end of June everything will be completed. Testing and commissioning is 1 month time, say entire month of July, which I see by end of July we can start, we expect all these things. Hopefully this time, this COVID again should not hamper, though to some extent it has been delayed again. We have to review and fixing the date of completion of different items of works in the new assembly building. But I hope and pray that these COVID again should not hamper the ongoing construction of the